Hey, it's Drew. Welcome to our quick guide on resetting your WiseStamp account password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons, we've got you covered. First, open your web browser and go to the WiseStamp sign-in page. You can find it at webapp.wisestamp.com/login. The link will also be provided in the description below. Once you're on the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Password option. It's right below the sign-in button. Now, enter the email address associated with your WiseStamp account in the provided field. After entering your email address, click Get a New Password. This will send a password reset link to your email address. Check your inbox for the password reset email from WiseStamp. Remember, it may take a few minutes to arrive. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folders. Once you receive the email, click the link provided to reset your password. You'll be prompted to enter a new password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Enter your new password and then re-enter it to confirm. Finally, click Confirm to update your password. Your password is updated immediately. And that's it. You've successfully reset your WiseStamp password. For troubleshooting or more information, check out our other video tutorials and our Help Center. Thank you for choosing WiseStamp to generate and manage your professional email signatures.